Aladdin Creations.
Welcome back to Aladdin Creations, where we make science and medical laboratory content easier and more engaging for students and scientists alike. Today, we're diving into a game changer in medical research, the Scanning Electron Microscope, or SEM. Imagine being able to see a cell's surface in such fine detail that you can identify its texture and shape, almost like you're looking at it in 3D. That's exactly what the SEM allows us to do. But how does it work? And why is it so important for medical laboratory science? How Scanning Electron Microscope works. The Scanning Electron Microscope operates by firing a focused beam of electrons onto the surface of a sample. When these electrons interact with the atoms on the surface, they release signals, such as secondary electrons, backscattered electrons, and even X-rays, which are then captured by detectors. These signals are processed to produce a detailed image of the sample. It's almost like taking a photograph, but on an incredibly tiny scale. The result? You get extremely high-resolution, 3D-like images that show you the fine structures of cells, tissues, bacteria, and other tiny specimens. Applications in medical laboratory science. In medical labs, SEM is a crucial tool. Imagine studying the intricate surface of a red blood cell or analyzing the minute details of a bacterial cell wall. These surface characteristics are often the key to understanding diseases and developing treatments. Take virology, for instance. The surface structures of viruses, like coronaviruses, can be visualized in exquisite detail, which helps researchers understand how they infect cells. In pathology, SEM is used to examine abnormal tissue samples at a cellular level, helping pathologists diagnose diseases more accurately. Why Scanning Electron Microscope is a game changer? The SEM not only provides higher resolution than traditional light microscopes, but also delivers a deeper understanding of surface structures. It's like unlocking an entirely new dimension in medical research. From helping us study cell surfaces and bacteria, to diagnosing diseases and advancing pharmaceutical research, the SEM is truly a game changer in the world of medical science. That's it for today's video. If you found this exploration of the Scanning Electron Microscope interesting, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more engaging content here on Aladdin Creations.